Sunday, September 22nd. It is raining, pour down. So it's a really good reason that. Oh, really?
I'm not showing you.
Okay. So it's a good thing we didn't go camping last night because we would be in pouring down rain this morning. And anyways, but camping knows that's not fun.
Huh?
Especially since I'd have to put all the gear up wet and it would sit gathering mold for a week because I'd be in Detroit and wouldn't have any time to clear it off. So we played Plants vs. Zombies 2, the ancient Egyptian one. He didn't like that. I had French toast and sweet potato kadoshi for breakfast.
Number 3.
Number 3? Yeah, I don't know about that one. Anyways, we are now headed into Bellingham. We're going to go for a swim at the Anna Harn Center, indoor swimming. And then me and Kian, I don't know what we'll do. Maybe go see a movie since it's raining. I don't know. But anyways, dropping him off at 7:30 with his mom, and they're dropping me off at the airport, and I get on the plane at 10:30. Fly to Austin. Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool, thank you.
I think my fairy.
So what is this right here, Kian? Is that a fairy necklace that I gave you? A special necklace with fairy dust? Tell me about it.
No.
What does it do?
It's magical. It has magic in it.
And what does it do?
I didn't figure it out.
I told you, you take a little fairy dust and you spray it on, lightly dust people's face, and then they can see fairies. So that's a very special thing that I've had for a good 20 years, so you gotta take good care of it.
Well, what did you use the other house?
Safe it.
Huh?
Gotta save it. Well, you can put the fairy dust that you made in there. Those little jars.
Yeah.
You can fill that up with that.
But I need to go for me, and it's for the gray dust. What color is this? Right in here.
Can't believe you swam into the wall, Kian. Got a bump on your noggin. What'd you do on the water slide? Yeah, it's going away.
No, look.
Yeah,
It's right here too.
I know you scraped it on the. Yeah, those differences.
It's another market difference.
Yeah.
Look.
Yep.
And look. And none of them that. Oh. And they have that big shark. None of them have that.
That's true. Did you like that, buddy? No? Hey, wait. Play it. That's not a game.